Keeping your home cool during a brutal summer heatwave shouldn't result in a punishing $400 monthly electricity bill. Most of these staggering utility costs stem from a single mechanical flaw, a wall-mounted thermostat blindly pumping freezing air into completely empty rooms for hours on end. This chart visualizes the mismatch. Your summer cooling costs spike at maximum capacity, exactly when the home is entirely vacant. Trying to program a fixed 7-day schedule on a manual thermostat cannot keep up with real life. If you work late or leave early, the AC keeps running unnecessarily. You end up burning through hundreds of dollars every single season, paying to cool your furniture instead of your family. Substantial summer savings require abandoning manual time-based schedules entirely. You need hardware that actually responds to real-world usage. Upgrading to a smart thermostat is the obvious fix, but navigating today's market is exhausting. You are forced to choose between $80 basic app timers and $280 artificial intelligence hubs. Slashing your energy costs requires a specific calculation. You either pay less upfront and manage your daily temperatures manually through a smartphone, or you pay a premium for advanced sensors that automate the entire process for you. This quadrant matrix maps exactly how to make that decision. It pairs a device's level of automation directly with how predictable your household's daily routine actually is. If you buy the wrong tier, you force yourself to either overpay for technology you will never use, or you end up with a budget device that requires so much manual babysitting that you simply give up. Achieving drastic energy savings depends on matching the hardware's automation capabilities directly to the predictability of your household routine. For households operating on a strict 9-to-5 routine, looking for the lowest possible upfront financial investment, we start at the baseline. The Amazon Smart Thermostat and the ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential are the top entry-level models, both coming in under $140. The ecobee Essential introduces Eco Plus software, which actively reads local weather forecasts and peak electricity pricing hours, so it can pre-cool your home before utility rates go up. The Amazon Smart Thermostat takes a different approach, integrating directly with Alexa Hunches to use your smartphone's location data to guess when the home is empty and dial back the AC automatically. The trade-off here is privacy. Amazon's data collection policies are aggressive, meaning you are trading household movement data for that lower price tag. The major functional limitation across this entire entry-level tier is the complete lack of advanced physical room sensors. If you come home unexpectedly early, these devices tend not adapt. They require you to open a smartphone app and manually intervene to get the air conditioning running again. Both of these thermostats deliver an excellent, rapid return on your investment, but they strictly demand a highly structured, unchanging timetable to actually lower your bills. If your home suffers from uneven temperatures or spans multiple stories, you need to step up to the $200 plus mid-tier bracket. The Sensi Touch 2 is an option here for users to prioritize a large, intuitive manual interface over automation. But by choosing the Sensi, you sacrifice built-in presence sensing, meaning you must actively manage your own energy savings manually. This floor plan graphic demonstrates the technological leap of the ecobee Enhanced and Premium models. They incorporate built-in radar occupancy detection to read actual body heat, instantly prioritizing cooling for occupied zones while ignoring empty spaces. The premium model goes further by including wireless satellite sensors. By placing one in a distant bedroom, the system directs cold air exactly where you are sleeping, solving the classic problem of a freezing hallway and a boiling master bedroom. But there is a financial trap here. Investing in heavy radar hardware and built-in air quality monitors is massive overkill if you live in a smaller, single-zone apartment. Upgrading to physical spatial sensors shifts energy management away from the user, automating comfort for households with uneven room temperatures or chaotic family schedules. For homeowners who want zero manual input and high aesthetic design, the maximum investment tier relies entirely on total automation. The $280 Google Nest Learning Thermostat 4th Gen requires a mandatory 7-day algorithmic training period to learn your cooling preferences and daily movements. Once trained, it constantly monitors localized weather forecasts and automatically adjusts your HVAC compressor speeds to maximize efficiency during peak summer heat waves. The downsides are clear. It carries the highest upfront financial barrier on the market, And its dynamic, polished display can be visually distracting in a minimalist interior. That steep $280 investment is only mathematically justified if you require a fully automated set-and-forget eco requires matching one of these 5 thermostats exactly to your specific lifestyle. As this decision tree outlines, for strict 9-to-5 routines, the Amazon or ecobee Essential provides the fastest return. For hot and cold spots, choose the ecobee Premium's physical sensors. For variable days and hands-off luxury, the Nest 4th Gen is your answer. Buying the wrong tier forces you to either overpay for technology you won't use or manually babysit a cheap device until you finally give up. Intelligent energy use starts with hardware matched to your specific reality, allowing you to finally take control of your summer utility bills.